Hey, no, she's coming around.
What, do you think she can do that on her own?
Well, she is. Oh, a little medical miracle.
You take it easy, all right?
Away from the bed, please.
Sorry, what is happening, please?
Can you wait outside, please?
Well?
Sarah's experiencing some hemodynamic instability, which basically means the heart isn't doing what it's supposed to in pumping the blood around the body.
What? So it's failed? The operation?
We're treating her with a medication called inotropes, which should bring the heart rate down and the blood pressure up.
Should. So it's working then? She's going to be OK?
We're doing all we can.
But what does that mean? Because if there's any risk here, I need to get her mum back.
But with an operation as big as this, there's always a risk. We'll keep you updated.
Oh, right, yeah, go. Debbie. What do I tell her? The truth.